Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. So today is another rung in the vlog on the road to 700 wheel horsepower for Hulk. Woke up mad early, about to head over to Prime all the way in Jersey right now. Try to beat all this traffic. It's just ridiculous. But today we are going to be taking out the stock motor. So this should be a nice treat for you guys. Hold on to your seats. Kind of sort of halfway there. If anybody knows, in New York, traffic on the Cross Bronx is ridiculous. Look at this shit. This is crazy. 20 minutes in like literally 20 feet. It's ridiculous. All right, I'll see y'all soon. All right, fam, just got here. It's freaking hot as balls up in here. So humid today. But it's nice out though. Rather freaking this than snow any day of the week. There it is. And there he is, right there. Oh man, this car is freaking dirty. Shit. A lot of rain. But it's all good. Time to get some work done today. Stay tuned. All right. What's happening? How you doing? Dude, you texted me literally as I was walking out of the car. Like GoPro? Yeah, bro. That's what you use? I use everything. Smile. He's like, nah, I'm good. So, as I told you guys from the last vlog, the whole, because of the shortage of metals, ETS is just, shit is just jacked up with them right now. So they're having a problem sourcing the turbo housings for not just mine, but tons of bills here. So it's at a point where it's frustrating. So, well, today, you know, they're just taking out the motor, but we'll see when this, or we'll see if Nav can source the housing for me and do some magic. Magic. Magic is the key word, Nav. Keep it positive, we'll get it, hopefully. But but I think ETS, well, when I called him yesterday, when the guy said September, I was like, bro. That's why I called you back in a freaking hurry. All right, guys, so we're literally brainstorming over here, trying to figure out what needs to go where. So how far does the core come out, do you think, for this oil cooler? Because we could either...
It's probably almost as far as this one.
Okay, so that's not bad. So that oil cooler could probably come down here to the front, maybe. Or
we can put it in the front if you want to put it in the front. That's kind of up to you.
Oh, this is Raffy, guys. Camera shy as heck, but it's all right. He's available. Any young ladies out there? Nav too.
Nav is gay, so.
So. All right, so you know what? When that bridge comes, we'll cross it.
Well, do you want to keep this small one, or you want to switch to like a bigger one?
Well, the reason why I got this is a 13 roll, was because it wouldn't have fit. A bigger one would not have fit unless I had really modified the shit out of it. You know what I mean? And look what I did. I did makeshift brackets and everything. Like it fit. It's neat in there. It works. You know what I mean?
What I have on my car, and I did to someone else. You know how you have the hood latch?
Okay.
That support, where I ended up taking that support out, and the oil cooler goes there.
You did it on Greg's car, right?
Yeah.
You have pictures of it, right?
I'll show you my car.
I'm not gonna lie, Raffy made this look so easy. But what you're seeing right there in this time lapse is him disconnecting a lot of the harnesses, removing a lot of wires that I have connected to gauges and whatnot. It's a lot of work, especially doing this in such short a time that he did it in. Shouts to you, Raffy. So in this section here, not gonna lie, he was pretty impressed with how clean I kept this car, from tucking all my wiring to where there is not a drip on top or below this car, meaning no leaks, but you know me, OCD. So on the bottom, obviously he had to drain the coolant, take off the headers, up pipe, down pipe, wastegate, oil cooler lines, fittings, and so forth. So it's a lot of work, guys. And again, Rafi hitting it out of the park, being super efficient. All right, so Rafi is moving pretty fast. Just to update you guys, he pretty much pulled off most of the stuff from up top, the manifold, stuff like that. Down here, obviously, he took off, you know, drained the coolant, the oil, taking off the oil cooler, a lot of lines, headers, downpipe. It's a lot of ish under here. A lot of ish. Look at that. Wastegate still has to come off, the turbo. It's a lot. All right. There he goes. Freaking awesome work done by my boy Rafi. So the motor is out. Obviously you guys can see all the parts, everything. Putting that bad boy on the side to make way for some more cars to get in here. Y'all know what to do. The work don't stop. It don't stop. No motor in here. All right, guys. I'm about to pack up my car, head home. Been here for a couple hours already. I will talk to you all soon. Stay tuned for another video.